Rutvik, what is the number 3? What is the problem? The mean and variance of the binomial distributions are 3 and 2 respect. Find the n, p and q values. So previous questions is already given as a n value, p value, q, and only we are finding as a probability distribution on the basis of the binomial distribution. Now what is the p value, q value, n value? So in this question it is given the binomial distribution. In a binomial distribution, mean is given and variance is given. Yes, mean and standard. But in a third one, the mean and variance of the binomial distributions are 3 and 2 respectively. What is the value of the n, p, q? What is the mean? Mean is equal to, what is the formula in the binomial distribution?
Mean equal to NP.
NP, okay. So what is the variance is equal to? NPQ. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we don't know what is the value of the n and p, but mean value is given. So first one, what is the mean? What is the mean? What is the mean value? NP is equal to, it is given as a 3. Now equation 2, for NPQ it is given 2. Is it 2? So equation 2 divided by 1, then we will get as a, so therefore NPQ divided by NP. Okay, so equal to, that is 2 by 3. So n will be cancelled, p will be cancelled, therefore q is equal to 2 by 3. So what is the value of the p? P is equal to 1 minus q. P is equal to 1 minus q. We know the value of the q. So P is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So P is equal to 1 by 3. Correct or wrong? What is the value? Rutvik, P is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. It is correct or wrong? The third problem, there is no any value of the NPQ, but mean and variance is given. The mean is 3 and variance is 2. So mean is equal to n into p. This is the first one. And the second one is the variance is equal to NPQ. If you want to get p value and q value, the second equation is divided by the first equation. So it is equal to NPQ divided by NP. N cancel, P also cancel. Therefore Q is equal to 2 by 3. So P is equal to 1 minus Q. This is the correct or wrong? This is the correct or wrong? Rutvik. This is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Wrong. Q is equal to 1 minus P. Q is equal to what is the value? Previous, check it. How it is correct? Q is equal to. Please check it. Previous problems.
Sir? Actually, this problem is already given, sir. You have already given, sir.
No, this is we solved.
Yeah,
No,
sir.
this first time equations.
No, sir. Previous class you had explained this, sir.
But I explained, but I not solved, I think. First you tell me Q is equal to what is the formula? Check it previous. Q is equal to 1 minus P. So Q is, we got, I have to teach classroom. This is a very difficult. 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus P. So what is the value of the P? Tell me now. So 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus P. So minus 2, 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus P. What is the value? P value. Satvika, what is the value of the P? Sravya?
Sir, it's 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Why this much delay? Okay, next. What is the next one? What is the next problem? The mean and variance in the binomial distributions are, this is the complete. For a binomial distribution, the mean is 4 and variance is 3. Find the NPQ. What is the value of the NPQ? Mean is given. In a binomial distribution, n into p is given. That is the number fourth problem. 4. NPQ is given. That is the 3. That is the 3. So equation 1 and equation 2, getting of the value of the q, that is NPQ divided by NP is equal to, that is 3 by 4. So n cancel, p cancel. Therefore q is equal to 3 by 4. By 4. So q is equal to 1 minus p. So 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus p.
Sir, it's 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Just a moment. నాకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా లేదమ్మా ఈ వైట్ బోర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఇస్ ద బెటర్. So 3 by 4 is equal to 1 minus p. So 3 by 4 minus 1 is equal to minus p. So what is the value? 1 by 4
1
or
by
1 by
4.
4? 1 by 4. So p is equal to 1 by 4. So this type of the problems you can expect in NCP 3, that is a 1 marks. Okay. Next, you do yourself. Fifth and sixth, you do yourself. Seventh also, and eighth one also. Ninth one now. Ninth one onwards, it is the expected frequency in the binomial distribution. I will tell you now. So fifth one, the mean of a binomial distribution is 4 and variance is 3. Find the value of P, Q, N. Anybody? What is the value of the P, Q, and N? Exercise number 5. The mean of the binomial distribution is 4. N into P is given 4 and N, P, Q is given as a 3. Same problems. Okay. To solve this one. Next one, that is a problem number 9. Please listen this one onwards. It is a very important. Fit a binomial distribution from the following data. Fit a binomial distribution from the following data.
Sir, can you repeat it?
Problem number 9. Fit a binomial distribution from the following data. I will write here. That is a x is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequency also given, that is a 10, 10, 30, 25, 15 and 10. Problem number 9. Yes. Fit a binomial distribution from the following data. So what is the p value? What is the q value? Is there any given? Please, with help of this information, only x values and frequencies given. So what is the expected frequency or fit a binomial distribution? This is the frequency is given, but you have to see the what is the binomial distribution expected frequency on the basis of this information. X value is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, F value is also given 10, 10, 30, 25, 15, 10. So what is the binomial distribution expected frequency? So what is the P value and what is the Q value? Is there given? You know the binomial distribution equation. What is the equation of the binomial distribution? That is n combination of x into that is the p to power of x and q to power of n minus x. This is the binomial distribution expected frequency. So it is probability x is equal to probability under the binomial distribution n combination of r or x and p to power of x and q to power of n minus x. On the basis of this information, can you find p value and q value? Yes, anyone? What is the p value? What is the q value? Anyone? Ruthvik, can you guess? Please, important. This is a very important. Even the Poisson distribution also. So, what is the mean is equal to? What is the mean is equal to? Mean. N into P. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
N into P. So mean first on the basis of this information you can find as a mean. Mean simple. It is a discrete series. You have to apply that logic. It is a discrete series. So what is the formula? Arithmetic mean is equal to sigma fx divided by f or n. Sigma fx divided by n or f. So here I will write 0 first one into 10. 1 into 10 plus next 2 into 30 plus 3 into 25 plus 4 into 15 plus 5 into 10 divided by, that is 10 plus 10 plus 30 plus 25 plus 15 plus 10. Last one 10. So is equal to, what is the value? You do like this, otherwise directly sigma fx divided by n also, no issues. What is the value?
Sir, it's 255 by 100.
255 divided by 100. So it is equal to 2.5.
2.55, sir.
2.55. This is the, what is this? This is the mean. This is the mean. Mean is equal to n into p. This is correct or wrong? Mean is equal to n into p. So so 0 is not taken into consideration in the binomial distribution. So leave it 0. Therefore, 2.55 is equal to 5 into p. 5 into p. So 2.55 divided by 5 is equal to p. This is correct or wrong?
Sir, why is n5?
n5. So 0 is not taken because 0 success is not taken. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. X values, how many? 5 are there. How many are there? 5. Excluding 0, the countable number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So only 5 taken into consideration. 0 will be leave it.
Okay, sir.
So 5 into P, 2.55. What is the 2.55? May I correct, Rutvik? Arithmetic mean in the binomial distribution? 2.55 correct or wrong? Rutvik? Rutvik? Are you there? Sravya? What is the
Yes, sir.
mean? Mean, what is the mean? Is it correct 2.55? I will do here. First one, fx 0 into 10, 0, 10, 2 into 30, 60, next 25 into 3, 75, then 4 into 15, 4 into 15, 60, and 5 into 10, 50. 70 plus 70 plus 75 plus 60 plus 50, 255. So mean is equal to 255 divided by 100. Yes. So 2.55. So 2.55 is equal to 5 into P. So P is equal to 2.5 divided by 5. So what is the Q value? What is the Q value?
Sir, 2.5 divided by 5 will be 0.5.
Oh, okay. If you want, you can do directly. Otherwise, 2.5 divided by 5 also no issues.
Okay, sir.
Q is equal to 1 minus P. Okay. As you wish. 2.5 we can, if you want more simplify, 2.555 divided by 5. So 2.55 divided by 5. 0.51 na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Q is equal to 1 minus 0.51. This pen is not working today. So therefore Q is equal to what, 0.49?
Yes, sir.
0.49. This is the procedure for the finding of the P value and Q value. Now expected frequency. So first one, x is equal to 0. Then probability of x is equal to 1. Then probability x is equal to 2. Probability x is equal to 3. Probability of expected is equal to 4. And probability x is equal to 5.
Sir, is it 10 marks problem?
Yeah, 10 marks.
Okay,
10 marks problem.
if we
Compulsory, either binomial distribution or Poisson distribution, any one you can expect at 100% questions, your end semester examination. Fitting a binomial distribution, expected frequency. Still now what I discussed, up to 8th problem, you can expect 2 marks, that is a 1 mark questions. But now onwards, this is a 100% questions, either maybe binomial distribution, either maybe Poisson distribution, any one you can expect your end semester examination for 10 marks. Yes, please tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
these problems will be coming for NCP3, sir.
No, this is the for the final examination. Still now the mean, the small problem, expected frequency, finding of the n value, p value, q value. So those type you can expect it in the NCP3. But this is the expected frequency in the binomial distribution. You can expect 10 marks questions in the final examination.
Sir, in case we, if we find out NPQ value, how many marks we expect, sir?
So from this fitting of the binomial distribution or
No, sir.
previous? No, generally what happen? So generally this type of the questions will becomes like this: fitting a expected frequency. Here, what is the sum of the frequency distribution? This given question 100. N value
N value 100, sir.
100. When you are fitting a binomial distribution, expected frequency. So on the basis of the binomial distribution, you are expecting frequencies. Do you understand? For example, I will explain you this question. There is a leave it about 0. There is a one time is kind is transfer. There is a success is that is the expected frequency is the 10. Then second time expected frequency is the 30. This is a given. Now on the basis of the fitting of the binomial distribution, you are expecting what is the value of the expected frequency. That is also sum must be equal to 100. Let me see this example, one example. Still we have 5 minutes. I will solve within 5 minutes. The first one. X is equal to 0. That is n combination. N, what is the value of n? 5 combination of first one. Here, this is the 0. P, what is the P value? 0.51 whole to power of 0 into 0.49 5 minus 0 equal to 1. Next, P x is equal to 1. It means 5 combination of 1 and 0.5 whole to power of 1 into 0.49 5 minus 1 equal. Next, P x is equal to 2. It means 5 combination of 2, 0.51 whole to power of 2 into 0.49 whole to power of 5 minus 2 equal. Next, P x is equal to 3. It means 5 combination of 3 and 0.51 whole to power of 3 into 0.49 5 minus 3 equal. Next, probability of x is equal to 4 equal to 5 combination of 4, 0.51 whole to power of 4 into 0.49 whole to power of 5 minus 4. Next, probability of x is equal to 5. 5 combination of 5, 0.51 whole to power of 5 into 0.49 whole to power of 5 minus 5 equal. What is the answers? What is the first one answer? Rutvik? First one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This total must be equal to 100. It will become percentage. Okay, up to you do. I will tell you next one. I need only values.
Sir, P0 is 0.14.
Yeah, it will be converted into percentage then. First one, what is the value?
0.14.
0.14. Next,
142.
0.142. Next,
0.2925.
2925. Okay, next. Two nine two five. Next one.
Sir, it's 0.300125.
300
125.
12. Okay. Next. Next to